guys, happy Saturday. Well, today's Saturday for me. You guys will most likely be watching this when it uploads on Tuesday. But it is Saturday. We are starting the moving vlogs today. I'm so excited. How do you feel about the moving vlogs?
Dead.
You're dead?
I feel dead.
You feel dead? Dixie, how do you feel? So I'm gonna show you guys what our little projects are for today. We're starting the packing process and we're not really that excited about packing, but I am excited about moving and I want to take you guys along on every step of this journey. So that's what we're doing today. We ordered some boxes from Home Depot, but they're not ready for us to pick up yet. So as soon as they like send the little thing that says we can pick it up, we're gonna go pick up boxes. So we're kind of at like a little, I don't want to say standstill. There's a ton of stuff we can still be doing, but like we can't start putting stuff in boxes, you know? Okay, so this is the first order of business. So this was our dining room, which was never really a dining room. It was where James would record his YouTube stuff, like YouTube show. They have not done it since March, before the world kind of fell apart. Eventually, they're gonna start doing it again, I think. So, first order of business today, we're gonna pack up all of James's like amiibos and little like figurine things. Then we're also gonna pack up the stuff, the games that don't fit in our little game cabinet thing. Like I said, we're gonna pack this stuff up and we're gonna move that because we're not packing that up. I still might need that, especially with like all the cleaning that has to happen. And then we're gonna pack this stuff up and we're gonna move this table back into the corner and start piling boxes in here. We're also going to pack up this bookshelf and like all of these things and move the bookshelf over here. We're trying to move like all the furniture over here so that way the movers can just like come in the door and get it and they don't have to like carry it, you know, over. So we're gonna be doing that. And then the only other thing that I really wanna get done today is packing up our DVD shelf. Yes, I have problems and I like to collect DVDs. Judge me. Also, James was so sweet and he cleaned the kitchen for me this morning. He also vacuumed and picked up the living room and did everything in the bedroom except for make the bed. We need to make the bed. So yeah, that's what we are up to today. And like I said, we're not really at a standstill because there's probably a million things we can do, but we don't really have the boxes yet to start doing stuff. There's just a lot of packing to do today. So that is what this vlog is gonna be, packing, getting everything ready. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit when we get our boxes and we can actually start packing all this up. You guys, I seriously just said that we didn't have our boxes. We were waiting for them to like let us know when it's time to pick them up and turned off the camera, and then James's phone line went beep, beep, like for his text notifications or whatever, and our boxes are ready. So we're gonna go to Home Depot and pick them up. Okay guys, we got all the boxes. They're like all like stacked in here. So we're starting with this to see how this goes and then we'll work our way from there. Okay guys, so an update. I really underestimated how long it was gonna take us to do this. I was just thinking, oh yeah, we're gonna knock this out. So we've kept like all the games in these little containers, and we're just gonna tape the containers shut. And then we have a box of board games, and then we have our box of books. James put all of his little figures in there, and there's still some stuff that we need to find a place for, obviously. Maybe when James gets out of the way, I'll show you the book situation. This is what we have left on our bookshelf, so we're thinking one more box should get the job done. Then we're obviously gonna have to find a place for all of this stuff. But yeah, that's the update so far. We have pushed the desk back there. So yeah, still so much to do. Someone's kind of upset that we're packing. It's okay. We're taking you with us. Yeah, we're gonna take you and your gingerbread man and your pig. Yeah, we're gonna take you with us. You're gonna have a yard. You just want me to throw your toy? I think the next thing that we're gonna do is pack up all of our movies, because thankfully we have things like Netflix and Disney Plus, and you know, anything that we need to watch we can watch on there in the next 2 weeks. Obviously we watch our DVDs and such, but we can live without them for 2 weeks. Okay guys, we moved the DVDs and the DVD shelf. It like makes it so open with that, with like not having the bookshelf here. It's like, whoa. But of course, we are filling up the dining room with stuff, and we're gonna have to like reorganize this, because we are gonna try to move the boxes before the movers come to move the furniture. So it's gonna be a little insane. I feel like the rest of the apartment looked so nice and clean, and now it is a disaster. But we pretty much packed up everything that I wanted to get done today, like the books and the DVDs and this room, although there are some things that are just kind of floating here. But because we are moving ourselves and like it's not far from here, I'm not super worried about it, because you know, it's just like those little odds and ends. It's not like we're moving to a different state and have to have everything out and packed and whatnot. So it works. But yeah, we pretty much got the dining room packed, minus like this stuff, which is, we just need to go through the mail again. And this is just kind of stuff we use every day, like our shoes and my purse and everything. But we can probably clean out the drawer for that and get everything ready. So yeah, we still need to figure out what to do with this stuff. We'll probably just move it without packing it in a box. So it'll probably just sit there for now. Don't you think?
We'll like pack it in a box, but it'll just be like, you know,
last minute.
Like we do with the Amiibo, or like we'll do with those foods. We'll like put them in this open box like that or something. Just carry them.
Yeah, but I meant like they'll probably stay there until like we're actually ready to move. So excited. So anyway, that's gonna wrap up today's portion of packing. But I will, like I said, add tomorrow into this vlog as well. And then after that, I will just start doing like bits and pieces and then putting it together when I feel like I have enough footage for you guys. So yeah, that's what we are doing. Hi guys, it is Sunday afternoon and we are going to continue our packing process. So the first thing that we're doing, James just decided that we were doing this. He just started pulling all the clothes out of our dresser, because most of that stuff we're not wearing right now. So we're gonna go through, see what we wanna keep and what we don't need in the next 2 weeks we're packing, and then we'll just keep out like a little bit and wear it for the next 2 weeks. So let me show you guys our bed, because it looks kind of insane right now. So first things first, you have Dixie who's like trying to move the pillows. What are you doing, crazy? Then you have like, okay, most of these t-shirts I'm pretty sure belong to James. So anyway, we've got to go through, we've got to get rid of stuff and pack what we're not using. Because Dixie, how do you feel about this packing adventure? Hey, Dixie. Hey, I'm talking to you. How do you feel about it? She's like, what's going on? So I'm kind of embarrassed. I've never showed you guys this closet because it's just kind of a hot mess disaster. So we have our clean clothes in our laundry basket, which we need to pull out and fold and be responsible adults. It's not too bad, but there's some stuff that has kind of fallen out of the laundry basket, you know. And then you have, this is James's side of the closet, which we have a lot of guitars and rock band stuff and camping stuff and just random stuff. Of course, we have random stuff over here as well. So I actually think we should get rid of that bedding because we don't
think so.
We don't need it.
We can give it to Joe and Rebecca maybe.
I don't think they want our leftovers. So then we have like a lot of bags and stuff up here, so random stuff for me as well. And then we have like all of the clothes that I decided needed to be hung. And then we have Dixie's little camper like tent thing back there. So one time we went camping and we got her this and whatever. And then we have some shoes on like the shoe rack thing. This I want to go through. There's a lot of stuff I want to get rid of in here. And then we have our suitcases. So it's not that bad, but it does look bad because we need to pull out the clean clothes out of the laundry basket and fold them. I know it looks insane. I'm not proud of it, but it's okay. We're moving and we're gonna have more space, and so our closet will not look like this ever again, and I'm so excited about it.
Right, that's why we're getting rid of some more clothes, so we'll actually have room for all of our clothes and the dresser.
Okay guys, it's a little while later. Here's the update on the closet. We've packed a lot of this stuff. We've gotten rid of some of this stuff. Obviously we're keeping our suitcases out because when we do pack, we can pack those. And then I have like a shoe shelf right there. Obviously we're gonna keep our dirty clothes out. I still have to go through this box. We folded all the laundry like good adults. We did it. And then some of this stuff can't really be packed. I mean, it's just we move it as is, you know.
This stuff up here can be packed. It's just getting to it.
It's just going through it. Then we have some socks that didn't have matches. We've got all of our clothes that I think this is what we're keeping for the next 2 weeks. So we're gonna put those away. That's our throwaway pile, minus Dixie. We're not throwing her away, we're just throwing the pillows away. She's like,
these are my pillows.
She's claimed them. That's the update on packing. We have way too much stuff. And even just going through this, I'm like, we're not getting rid of this, we're not getting rid of this, and there's just so much stuff. But we are getting rid of a lot of stuff, but I'm also just like, man, we still have a lot of stuff. The struggle. But that's all right. We'll eventually get our life together and be somewhat organized. But yeah, if you guys thought that I had like a perfectly clean apartment, you never saw that closet. That was like my dirty little secret. Like, just shove it all in the closet, no one will see. So okay, well, what time is it? It's almost 3:30. We could keep packing, or we could just take the rest of the day off.
Finish up the closet.
James says we're gonna finish up that closet. I'm tired of the closet. I'm like, I'm ready to move on to something else. But we've packed up several boxes. I know it doesn't look like it, but we did get a lot of stuff out of that closet. There was a lot of stuff that was in that closet. So yeah, I'm gonna put these clothes away so that way at least our bedroom doesn't look like a disaster. And then I'll update you guys on what we decide to do. If we decide to finish the closet, if we decide to be done for the day, I'll let you guys know. But for now, I'm just gonna put these clothes away. So yeah, that is gonna wrap up the first packing vlog. There's lots more to come, so don't worry. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see all the moving vlogs, all the new house stuff, because all of that is coming and I'm so excited. But first we have to pack, which is the not so fun thing. I think it's fun watching people pack, but for us it's like not fun. So yeah, make sure you click that subscribe button, that bell notification, that way you don't miss any videos. But I'm wrapping it up here. I will see you guys in my next vlog for more packing fun adventures. But until then, make sure you click that subscribe button and that bell notification, and I will see you guys later. Bye.